Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to change text messages background on Android phone. So let's get started. First of all, open your messages application on your Android phone, and after that you can select one of your chat room on your messages. And for example, I'm going to select this one, so just tap on the chat room or the conversation, and after that we can click on this three dots button on the top right corner of our screen, then click on customize chat room. Okay, and you can select the wallpaper or the background of the chat that you want to use, and you can select right here. But you can also select a picture to be your background of your chat room, so just tap on this button if you want to select a picture from your gallery. And for example, I'm just gonna select from this folder. Okay, and I'm going to choose this one. All right, and we can take the part of the picture that we want to use it as background. Okay, and after that we can click on done right here. All right, and hold on. Okay, and let's check to our chat room. So just go back to the previous section. Okay, and now the background has been changed, and I'm going to check on another chat room. So I'm going to check on this one. Okay, alright guys, and that's how we can change text messages background on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.